Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera from NBC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Friday, September the 27th. Let's quickly jump to our news items for today. A lot of information here being presented at 8:30, but none of this information affects us during our trading session, so that's good for us. Let's quickly jump to our daily chart. The daily chart gives us a great panorama of what's going on in the markets. So let's go take a quick look at that right now. Daily charts right about here. As you noticed, we have broken through the 20 SMA several times this week, but the market fails to stay below it. So that's where the battle is happening. That's why you see this type of oscillation here in this market. Our next support area, if the market wants to move lower, is actually the 80 SMA. So that's what we're looking for in reference to any move further down. Obviously, what's happening in Washington right now with the Trump administration seems to be affecting the market quite a bit. Volumes kind of regained its strength once again, so you just got to be very careful today. Watch the erratic movements in the market and look for good spots to put your stops. Let's look at our chart here that gives us a great panorama for our analysis, and what we see here is actually the market is it's actually above our intraday high of yesterday. It just broke below it right now. It kind of sits on this trend line here, coming off the ultimate of the intraday high. Intraday low, we have this resistance up here, which we had developed here in last night's pre-market, and the market is kind of retraced from there. We're expecting the market to hold this area early and then attempt one more test to the upside. Otherwise, we're expecting the market to come retrace, and the ultimate line we're looking for is here. We're expecting the market to continue moving higher, or attempting to move higher, as long as it remains above this trend line here, which means there's a lot of room for trades in this area here to the downside. So if you're looking for trades with the immediate direction, this is the way to go. But you have to wait for the test here. We have to wait for the test here if the market holds. If the market holds here, it's going to move higher. Otherwise, it's going to attempt to oscillate right back down to this area here. So that's our plan for today. You can see it a little bit more clearly here. Oh my gosh, I'm having a technical issue this morning. In our trade chart, and it's right here. There's our trend line. There is our break above yesterday's intraday high, which obviously is a support area, resistance area up here. Here's the area I'm talking about. Market needs to hold. If the market holds, we're expecting market to continue a little bit higher and can retest this resistance again. Otherwise, it's going to oscillate right back down to that trend line, which I told you about. Have a great trading session. Let us know if you have any questions.